Hi viewers, and welcome to another restoration video done on a Leyland Atlantean gear shifter. A quick air test at 75 psi. Just recently installed a new gasket kit also, so hopefully there'll be no air leaks. I'm not sure what the torque setting is for these, but I have used a torque wrench to tighten these up. The key is not to over tighten these, they do tend to pull out of the casting and strip. So yeah, quick air test at 75 psi. So there's no air leaks, which is good. Quite happy with that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.